Hello, good morning everyone. In this video we are going to learn how to install and uninstall applications on a Hisense Smart TV with VIDAA operating system. To install an application we have to go down to the applications bar, the one we have on the main page of the Smart TV, and then we go to App Store. Once we are inside the App Store, we select which application we want to install. In this case I don't care, I'll install any application, because here from Kids, The Adventures of Omnum. We are going to install this application. We give him above and where it indicates to install, we simply press and there appears the application. It has been installed correctly and appears at the end of the row of applications. So once installed, we go backwards, we leave the store, we go to More Apps or More Applications, and if we go inside, as you can see here the Omnum application has already been installed. We could open it without any problem. There you have it, there we have the application already installed. Let's go out and now we are going to uninstall it. To do the uninstall we have to come to this same screen, where it says More Apps. From here, remember we have come from the main bar to the right of all More Apps, we go to the Omnum application that we just installed and what we have to do is hold down the OK button. The center button we have to keep pressed until we get these two options. Sort will be to move the application by this panel and then we have the option delete. If we want to uninstall it then we click on delete and as you see the application disappears. I have to comment that we can only do this with applications that are not pre-installed. The TV already has many pre-installed applications as you are seeing in any of these. If we click on it, we do the continuous pressing to uninstall it, it will only allow us to move it. We will not be able to uninstall it. This can only be done with applications that we install ourselves and not with applications that come pre-installed on the TV. Well, this is the end of the video, as you can see quite simple, but well, just in case you were not clear which applications can be uninstalled and which not or from where to access the installation of applications, I hope I have helped you. If so, do not forget to leave me a like, which is super important, as well as subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell to not miss anything. For my part, nothing more, as always, a pleasure and until the next video.